morning to all of you. Was yesterday, as you know, we were doing problems on Rolle's theorem. Today we have to complete that Rolle's theorem as well as mean value theorem. MET we call it as, it is mean value theorem and Rolle's theorem. Both the theorems, Rolle's theorems I given you definition also. I told you it was in India itself, but they claim that Greek they have taken and they have converted the theorem. It was already there in our Vedas. Now, Rolle's theorem problems we should do. Either this year if they ask Rolle's theorem, next year they will ask MET theorem. If they ask MET theorem this year, next year it will be a problem on Rolle's theorem. So, one definitely either Rolle's theorem or MET theorem they will ask in examination. After that, we have to start continuous functions. So, now we shall take problem on Rolle's theorem. Please take one problem I think we did. F of x equal to x square. Okay, in the interval -2 or +2, something like that. One problem we did yesterday, x square plus 2. Yes. Now take down, verify Rolle's theorem. Verify Rolle's theorem. Verify Rolle's theorem on function on fx equal to, that function is given on fx equal to x square plus 2x minus 8 on fx equal to x square plus 2x minus 8 and x belonging to the interval -4 comma 2. When they give the interval, it is a closed interval, they give always -4 comma 2 x square plus 2x minus 8 x belonging to. Otherwise they may also give in the interval a is equal to -4, b is equal to 2. Both are same. This is a, this is b. If they give in the interval a is equal to -4, b is equal to 2, they have given direct intervals. Otherwise if they ask x belongs to this, means it should be a and b. I told you 3-4 conditions it has to be satisfied. The first condition it is continuous on closed interval -2, -4, -2. We should write that because it is a polynomial function. Polynomial function of degree 2. This is polynomial. All polynomial functions are continuous functions. I will tell you when we take up continuous functions. Okay. So first thing you write that it is also differentiable, because when you differentiate x square, 2x plus 2, it is differentiable on that interval, open interval. Afterwards find out f of a, f of b, they should be same. Then find out f dash c, f dash x and f dash c equal to 0. That value of c should be in this interval. That is in the open interval -4 comma 2. Those are the conditions you have to satisfy. And they keep 3 marks for this question. 3 marks question, 3-4 steps, you can easily get 3 marks. Now you take, verify Rolle's theorem on this. Now what you should do is, interval is that a is -4 and b is equals to. First condition you write. The first condition is the given function, this has to be written, this has to be presented. The given function fx equal to x square plus 2x minus 8 is continuous on this interval. Closed interval ಬರಿಬೇಕು. Continuity is always on closed interval, differentiability on open interval. The given function fx x square plus 2x minus 8 is continuous on this interval, open interval -4 -2, and you can, if you want, you can write fx is polynomial function. Bekadre baribodu, otherwise it's enough. It is because all polynomial function are continuous functions. You can say fx is polynomial function. Condition number 2, you can write the given understood, this has to be written, otherwise you will lose 1 mark if you don't write this. The given function that is fx equal to x square plus 2x minus 2, or you can write the given function fx antanu baribodu, is differentiable. See, you can differentiate 2x, differentiation madre 2x plus 2 barutte, is differentiable. Here it is continuous, here it is differentiable on the interval, open interval. That is very important. You should write the difference between this interval and this. This is called closed interval, this is called open interval. You must write on open interval -4 -2. The third one is, these two things are should be there. Third one, check up FA is equal to FB agutta nodಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. That is also one more condition. If ಅಲ್ಲೇ ನಾವು fail ಆಗಿಬಿಟ್ರೆ, if it is not FA is equal to FB, then you can say third condition failed and Rolle's theorem is not applicable. But 90% of the problem they will give which are applicable only. Now you take A is -4, B is 2. A is -4, B is 2. Find out f of x is x square plus 2x minus 8. F of x is given there, x square plus 2x minus 8. And f of A is, you know, I told you A is -4. F of -4 ಕಂಡುಹಿಡಿಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. x ಇನ ಕಡೆಗೆಲ್ಲ -4 ಹಾಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. -4 square ನೋಡಿ, wherever x -4, x is -4 plus 2 into -4 minus 8, or it is 16 minus 8 minus 8, or it is 0. See here, you are putting f of -4 ಹಾಕೊಂಡಿದ್ದೀರಿ. -4 square, 2 into -4 and then -8. So f of A, this is f of A, or f of -4 is 0. Call it as equation number 1. Call this equation number 1. Now find out similarly f of B. B is 2. So again f of x is equal to x square plus 2x minus 8. Now f of B is, you know, 2. F of 2 is equal to wherever x, 2 ಹಾಕೊಳ್ಳಿ, 2 square plus 2 into 2 minus 8. x ನ ಕಡೆಗೆಲ್ಲ 2 ಹಾಕ್ತೀರಿ. f of B ಕಂಡುಹಿಡಿಯಿರಿ. Now it is 4 plus 4 minus 8. 8 minus 8, it is 0. So f of 2, this is your f of B. B is 2. First interval is A, second is interval B. F of B, f of 2 is also 0. So from 1 and 2, f of A is equal to f of B. From 1 and 2, what you should write? From 1 and 2, you should write f of A is equal to f of B is equal to 0. See here, f of -4 is also 0. F of 2 is also 0. F of A is equal to f of B is equal to 0. So first thing we should write, it is continuous on this function. It is differentiable. These two must. Then go for f of A. A is this. B is this. F of x is given. Check whether f of A is equal to f of B. This is also one of the required conditions to be proved for a Rolle's theorem. Okay. Next. Take out, you should, there exists C between this interval such that f dash C is equal to 0. That is the thing you should put. Now you take f of x ತಗೊಳ್ಳಿ. f of x is x square plus 2x minus 8. ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ f dash x ಕಂಡುಹಿಡಿಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. fx ತಗೊಂತೀರಲ್ಲ, ಅದರಲ್ಲಿ f dash x ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಗೊತ್ತು ನಿಮಗೆ, ಡಿಫರೆನ್ಸಿಯೇಷನ್. f dash x is nothing but differentiation. 2x, x square 2 into x to the power 2 minus 1 plus 2 into 1. X is 1, x square is 2x. You find out f dash c. f dash x ಕಂಡುಹಿಡಿದ ಮೇಲೆ you have to find out f dash c. f dash c ಅಂದರೆ x ನ ಕಡೆಗೆ c ಹಾಕೊಳ್ಳಿ, 2c plus 2. So fx is so much, f dash x is so much, f dash c is 2c plus 2. Now take f dash c is equal to 0. Equate f dash c is equal to 0. Find the value of this t. F dash c is 2c plus 2 is equal to 0. 2c is equal to minus 2. C is equal to minus 2 by 2, or it is minus 1. Find out f dash x. f dash x ಆದ ಮೇಲೆ f dash c ತಗೊಳ್ಳಿ. x ನ ಕಡೆಗೆ c ಹಾಕಿ, 2c plus 2. Now f dash c is equal to 0. 2c plus 2 is equal to 0. 2c is equal to minus 2. C is equal to minus 1. Now your question is, your problem is whether this minus 1 belongs to this interval. -4 to interval ge ee -1 definitely. See, when you write a number line here, -4, -3, -2, -1, 0. Here 1 and 2. So this is the interval actually. -4 is the full interval. -4 to -2 is the interval. ಈ interval ನಲ್ಲಿ -1 ಬರುತ್ತಾ? Definitely it is in this. -1 is there. See, again I am telling you, this is the number line. -4, -3, -2, -1, 0, 1, 2. In this interval, whether what you got C is covered. Definitely C is covered within this interval. So what you should write, C is equal to minus 1 belongs to not closed interval you should write open interval minus 4. Since all the conditions are satisfied, you should write final answer. Since all the conditions are satisfied, a given function, Rolle's theorem is applicable. Rolle's theorem is applicable for given function and given function and or you can also write Rolle's theorem verified. ROLLES. Rolle's theorem verified for the given function. Either you can write that it is applicable for the given function. Now I will repeat this very important question, 3 marks question. Verify the Rolle's theorem on the function fx equal to x square plus 2x minus 8x belonging to this interval. Athwa where a is so much b or they can give interval. First you should write the given function. Always you should write these two things mandatory. The given function fx is equal to x square plus 2x minus 2 is continuous on this interval minus 4 minus 2 closed interval baribeku. Next, the given function fx is differentiable on open interval baridi minus 4 minus 2 baridi. Aamele you have to check f of a f of b same idya anta nodabeku. A is minus 4, f of x kottidare, x inde kade minus 4 haki find out. This is f of a. F of b andre f of 2, same thing, given function is there, b2 hakoli. Now it is also 0, you can write from 1 and 2, f of a is equal to f of b is equal to 0. Next, the next one condition is fx kottidane, f dash x ಕಂಡುಹಿಡಿಕೊಳ್ಳಿ, ಆಮೇಲೆ c ಹಾಕೊಳ್ಳಿ, ಅದನ್ನ ಈಕ್ವೇಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಆ c ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಬರುತ್ತಲ್ಲ, this value whether it is covered under this particular interval what we give, definitely it is covered under this range, then you can comfortably say that c belongs to that particular interval minus 4 comma 2. Since all the conditions are belong, this is a very important step. We should, so this means belongs to this particular interval. One samay idenadru bere bandubittidre, say minus 5 bandubittidre, then it does not belong. Therefore third condition failed and Rolle's theorem is not applicable anta you have to write. Understood? So these are all the essential things you must write in your examination paper. Otherwise, for any of the reasons, if you don't mention it, marks will be cut for you. Okay. Verify Rolle's theorem, because you got in your book itself, you have got some 3-4 problems, that's all, and we will do that, and MET also will do, and one of the problems will be repeated always in the examination. Verify Rolle's theorem, please write. Verify Rolle's theorem for the function fx equal to, verify Rolle's theorem for the function fx equal to x square minus 1, x belonging to the interval 1 comma 2. This is your A, this is B. So now you should say verify Rolle's theorem for the function x square minus 1 x, and this is a polynomial function of degree 2. So first condition is, you can write the first condition, the given function fx equal to x square minus 1 is, what is that function? Is continuous. Definitely it is continuous because it is polynomial function, continuous on closed interval 1 to polynomial function anta baribodu, because it is a polynomial function. Okay, understood? Second condition, the given function fx is equal to x square minus 1 is definitely differentiable. You can differentiate 2x and that is 0. So is differentiable. Both the things you should write. Continuous differentiability on open interval. When you are mentioning differentiability, you should mention open interval 1, 2. So this you should mention continuity on this. This is closed interval. This is open interval. Now you take A is 1 and B is 2. You have to find out f of 1 ಕಂಡುಹಿಡಿಯಬೇಕು using this. F of 2 ಕಂಡುಹಿಡಿಯಿರಿ. Find out whether it is f of A is equal to f of B na anta you have to find out. If it is f of A is equal to f of B, third condition also verify. Then you should go for fourth condition f dash c. Suppose third condition fail ಆಗಿಬಿಟ್ರೆ you need not go to the fourth condition. You can say third condition failed. Therefore, Rolle's theorem is not applicable to the given function. That's all the answer you can give. Now let us check in this f of x equal to x square minus 1, f of a, that is a is 1 here, f of a is f of 1 is equal to 1 square minus 1. Wherever x 1 happadi 1 square minus 1 0. This is f of. Call it as equation number 1. Go to f of b. This is b is 2. So f of x is equal to x square minus 1. F of b is 2 here. So f of 2 ತಗೊಳ್ಳಿ 2 square minus 1. ಇದಕ್ಕೆ 2 ಹಾಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. 2 square minus 1. It is 4 minus 1. It is 3. This is called as 2. This is your f of b. Here, ಇದು 0 ಬಂತು, ಇದು 3 ಬಂತು. Definitely you can say that this particular thing is not applicable because f of a itself is not equal to f of b. See, they are given one problem also like this. So you can say you need not go to third one. F dash c can get ಬೇಕಾಗಿಲ್ಲ. You can write that directly here. What you can do is from 1 and 2. This is what you have to present the answer. See carefully. From 1 and 2. Okay. From 1 and 2. F of a is not equal to f of b. That is f of 1 is not equal because this is 0. That is f of 2. Therefore, third condition failed. Third condition failed or not satisfied. Therefore, Rolle's theorem not applicable. Rolle's theorem not applicable for the given function. This is how you have to present the answer. Very importantly, you should say that Rolle's theorem is not applicable for the given function. Why it is not applicable? Because f of a is 0, f of b is 3. Both should be same. In the Rolle's theorem, f of a must be previous problem ತಗೊಳ್ಳಿ. ಅದು ನೋಡಿ f of a is f of b same ಇರುತ್ತೆ. Then you can go for f of x ತಗೊಂಡು f dash c ತಗೊಳ್ಳಿ. f dash x ತಗೊಳ್ಳಿ, f dash c ತಗೊಳ್ಳಿ, then calculate whether c is covered under this. ಈಗ ಇನ್ನೊಂದು you need not do that because ಇಲ್ಲೇ fail ಆಗೋಯ್ತು. That condition failed because this is not equal to this. So from 1 and 2, f of a is not equal to f of b. F of 1 is not equal to f of 2. Third condition failed. Therefore, Rolle's theorem not applicable for the given function. You can write that it is not applicable for the given function. Anyway, I will give you 2 problems. Please check in the house whether it is verify Rolle's theorem for these 2. I suppose you have copied all these things. Very important here, it is not applicable. Now I will give you functions here. Yes, this you take verify Rolle's theorem for the function f of x equal to x square in the interval ಅಂತ ಕೊಡಬಹುದು. That means 6 belongs to ಅಂತಾನೆ -1 comma. In the interval, please do it in the house and you do practice. Mathematics is only by practicing you can get fx equal to x square in the interval minus 1, 1, a minus 1 ಇದು a ಆಗುತ್ತೆ, ಇದು b ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. f of x ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದೀನಿ. This is polynomial function of derivative, continuity ಇದೆ, differentiability ಇದೆ. f of a ತಗೊಳ್ಳಿ, f of 1 ತಗೊಳ್ಳಿ 1 square, f of b ತಗೊಳ್ಳಿ f of minus 1, that is also minus 1 whole square is 1. So f of a equal to f of b, one third condition satisfied. Go to the fourth condition, f dash x is 2x, f dash c is 2c, that should be equated to 0, 2c is equal to 0, c is equal to 0, 0 definitely belongs to this particular number line hakkoli, 0 barutte in interval ge. Therefore what you can say comfortably is all conditions are satisfied and Rolle's theorem is applicable for the given. Okay, to try this, practice this. I myself have told you all these things, and now we should go for MVT, that is called that is mean value theorem. Shall I write this? Mean value theorem. Take down. So far Rolle's theorem ಆಯಿತು. Mean value theorem is extension of Rolle's theorem, or it is also called Euler-Hospital rule ಅಂತಾರೆ. Mean value theorem, both were found out by Rolle's. I told you by Rolle's, but it was already there in India. But unfortunately we ignored certain things, and they claimed that Greek fellows claimed that they have found out this theorem. This was already there in India in our Veda. It was there. Now it is mean value theorem. You can take down the definition of mean value theorem, but I told you 99% problem will be asked and not the definition of mean value theorem. But we cannot rule it out that they should not ask mean value theorem. They may ask, but so far what they have done is they have asked only problem on Rolle's theorem and mean value theorem. Okay, take the definition. Let f, take down, let f a to b to r set of real function. Let function f from a to a b, close interval a b, to r to set of real numbers be continuous. Be continuous on closed interval a comma b. I told you continuity is always closed interval a comma b, and differentiable on this interval a b, open interval a b. See here, let f, like this only you have to reproduce. They asked let f like this, that means function a comma b to r be continuous on a comma b closed interval and differentiable on a comma b. Okay, then where a and b are of course real numbers, then there exists, see the third condition is not there, f of a is such that f of a is equal to f of b ಅಂತಿಲ್ಲ, ಅದು Rolle's theorem ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಬರುತ್ತೆ, ಇಲ್ಲಿಲ್ಲ. ಇಲ್ಲಿ then there exists c, on interval a comma b, on open interval a comma b, that is c belongs to ab such that this is a very important thing. ಅಲ್ಲಿ f dash c is equal to 0 ಇತ್ತು, ಇಲ್ಲಿ f dash c is equal to f of b minus f of a by b minus c. This is like a formula, please put it in a box. So let f a comma b belonging to r be continuous on a comma b and differentiable on a comma b, then there exists c. ಆ c ಇದರೊಳಗಿರಬೇಕು, ಕವರ್ ಆಗಿರಬೇಕು. a b such that is c belongs to a b such that f dash c is equal to f b minus f a by b minus c. ಅಂದರೆ ಯಾವಾರ ಒಂದು ಫಂಕ್ಷನ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ರೆ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಕಂಟಿನ್ಯೂಟಿ ಡಿಫರೆನ್ಷಿಯಬಿಲಿಟಿ ಬರೀರಿ, ಆಮೇಲೆ ಎಫ್ ಆಫ್ ಎ ಎಫ್ ಆಫ್ ಬಿ ಕಂಡುಹಿಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ, ಬಿ ಎ ಇದೆ, ಎಫ್ ಡ್ಯಾಶ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಕಂಡುಹಿಡ್ಕೊಂಡು ಎಫ್ ಡ್ಯಾಶ್ ಸಿ ಕಂಡುಹಿಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ, ಆಮೇಲೆ ಈ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಈಕ್ವೇಷನ್ ಇಂದ ಸಿ ಕಂಡುಹಿಡ್ಕೊಂಡ್ರೆ ಆ ಸಿ ಇದು ಒಳಗಿದ್ರೆ then you say that it is applicable, or that MVT mean value theorem is applicable, verified. See, ಇದನ್ನ MVT ಅಂತಲೂ ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ ಮ್ಯಾಥಮೆಟಿಕ್ಸ್ ನಲ್ಲಿ. MVT, not motor vehicle tax. Please don't get confused with motor vehicle tax, that is in RTO department. Here it is MVT means mean value theorem, not motor vehicle tax. Understood? So sometimes they give prove or verify whether MVT is applicable ಅಂತ ಕೊಡ್ತಾರೆ. MVT ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಓ ಏನಪ್ಪ ಇದು this is ಆರ್ಟಿಬೋದು ಅಂತ, not that, this is mathematics mean value theorem, and this you have to buy it. Now we shall start doing problems on MVT. ಒಂದು ಮೂರು ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಇದೆ and that will be only repeated. ಅದು ಯಾರು ಕೇಳ್ತಾರೆ ಈಗ ರೋಲ್ಸ್ ಥಿಯರಮ್ ಕೇಳ್ತಾರೆ, and you should be pakka in both the things. Now we shall take problem on MVT. I will rub this. Hope you have taken particularly this one, very important. This is like formula. Now I will rub the things. Now let us see, do some problems on this MVT, that is not motor vehicle tax, it is mean value thing. Take down, verify MVT, that is mean value theorem. Verify MVT for the function fx, for the function fx equal to x square, for the function f of x equal to x square. Okay, in the interval 2, 4, in the interval 2, 4. A very important problem. For examination they carry 3 marks. I told you either this or it will be Rolle's theorem. ಈ ಒಂದೇ ಒಂದು ಅಡ್ವಾಂಟೇಜ್ ಏನಂದ್ರೆ f of a, f of b need not be equal, but in Rolle's theorem f of a should be equal to f of b. Verify MVT for the function this thing in the interval, ಅಥವಾ where x belongs to ಅಂತ ಕೇಳಬಹುದು, where x belongs to 2, 4 ಅಂತಾನೋ, so both are same, this is a, or in the interval a is equal to 2, b is equal to 4 ಅಂತಾನೋ question ಕೇಳಬಹುದು. Now you take f of x equal to x square. First thing you write, it is a polynomial function. F of x equal to x square is continuous, given function is continuous on 2, 4 because polynomial function, because it is polynomial function. It is polynomial function. Second condition you can write f of x equal to x square. You can differentiate. If you differentiate, it is 2x. Definitely is, this is continuous, is differentiable. Is differentiable on open, differentiability ಬರೆಯುವಾಗ open interval ಬರಿಬೇಕು, continuity ಬರೆಯುವಾಗ closed interval ಬರಿಬೇಕು. This is called closed interval, this is called open interval. Very very important. Students get mixed up and they write ಇದಕ್ಕೆ ಇದನ್ನು ಬರೆದುಬಿಡ್ತಾರೆ, differentiability ಇದು ಬರೀತಾರೆ. That is wrong. They will lose marks miserably. You should be very careful. Difference ಇದು continuity, ಇದು differentiability. Now you calculate, I told you the formula f dash c is equal to f of b minus f of a by b minus a. This formula you have to use and verify this c ಬರುತ್ತಲ್ಲ ಅದು belongs to that a b ನ ಬರುತ್ತಾ ಅಂತ ನೋಡಬೇಕು. Now but here one thing, f of a ಮತ್ತು f of b will not be equal. 90% of the problem f of a, f of b and need not be equal also. Okay, that is not a required condition. Now you take f of x equal to x square. Now a ಇದೆ, a ಬಂದು 2 here, so f of 2 ಕಂಡುಹಿಡಿಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. f of a is f of 2, f of 2 is 2 square. 2 square is what? f of x equal to x square, f of a is 2, f of 2 ತಗೊಳ್ಳಿ, f of 2 is 2 square 4. Similarly again, f of x equal to x square, b is here, it is 4. What is b? b is here, you should know, it is 4. So f of 4, f of b ಅಂದ್ರೆ f of 4 is equal to 4 square, x ನ ಕಡೆ 4 square ಹಾಕೊಳ್ಳಿ, it is 16. See, this is 4 and this is 16. It will not be same. But ನೀವು ರೋಲ್ಸ್ ಥಿಯರಮ್ ಪ್ರೂವ್ ಮಾಡುವಾಗ it should be f of a ಮತ್ತು f of b ಎರಡು ಸೇಮ್ ಇರಬೇಕು. So this is a2 f of a, this is your f of a and this is your f of b. ನಾವು ಈ ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾದಲ್ಲಿ ಎಫ್ ಆಫ್ ಬಿ ಬಂತು, ಎಫ್ ಆಫ್ ಎ ಬಂತು, ಬಿ ಗೊತ್ತು, ಎ ಗೊತ್ತು. ನಾವು ಎಫ್ ಡ್ಯಾಶ್ ಸಿ ಕಂಡುಹಿಡಿಬೇಕು. ಎಫ್ ಡ್ಯಾಶ್ ಸಿ ಹೇಗೆ ಕಂಡುಹಿಡಿಯೋದು? ಎಫ್ ಡ್ಯಾಶ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಕಂಡುಹಿಡಿಯಿರಿ, ಆಮೇಲೆ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ನ ಕಡೆಗೆ ಸಿ ಹಾಕಿ. ನಾವು ಎಫ್ ಆಫ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಇಸ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಟು ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್, ಎಫ್ ಆಫ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಇಸ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಟು ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್, ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಹಿಯರ್ ಎಫ್ ಡ್ಯಾಶ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಈಸ್ 2x. F dash x ಅಂದರೆ dy by dx differentiation, it is 2x. Now f dash c ತಗೊಳ್ಳಿ, x ಇರ ಕಡೆಗೆ c ಹಾಕೊಳ್ಳಿ, ಇಲ್ಲಿ x ಇರ ಕಡೆಗೆ c ಹಾಕೊಳ್ಳಿ, it is 2c. Understood? f of x equal to x square, f dash x equal to 2x, f dash c is equal to 2 into c, 2c. Now use the formula f dash c is equal to, what is the formula says? F dash c is equal to f of b minus f of a by b minus c. ಇದರಿಂದ you have to find out, calculate c. F dash c you have already calculated, it is 2c. Okay, is understood? F dash c is 2c is equal to f of b. F of b is 16. F of b is 16, already there. F of b is 16. F of a is 4 by b minus a. What is b? B is 4 in the interval, b is 4, this is the interval, b is 4, a is, again I will explain. F dash c is 2c, f of b is 16, f of a is 4, b minus c, or 2c is equal to 16 minus 4, 12, 4 minus 2, 2, or 2c is equal to, or c is equal to 3. What you got the value? Understood? F dash is equal to f b minus f a by b minus a. Now 2c is equal to so much, c is equal to 3. Now your main intention is whether 3 comes under this interval. Definitely. See here, when you take a number line, in the minus interval ಈ ಕಡೆಗಿದೆ 1, 2, 3, 4. So here from 2 to 4 ಅಲ್ಲಿ definitely this 3 is there. This 3 is there. Here between the interval 2 and 4 you get that 3. 3 is there, you can write, but this is very important. This okay belongs to the interval, not closed interval. This is very important. C is equal to 3 belongs to this particular interval 2, 4. You should write, since all the conditions are satisfied, since all the conditions are satisfied, the MVT is verified for the given function fx. MVT is verified for the given function fx, or you can also say that MVT is applicable. You can write both the ways, applicable for given function fx. I will explain again. ಕೊಟ್ಟಿರ್ತಾರೆ, ಕಂಟಿನ್ಯೂಟಿ ಬರೀರಿ, ಓಪನ್ ಇಂಟರ್ವಲ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಡಿಫರೆನ್ಷಿಯಬಿಲಿಟಿ ಬರೀರಿ, ಆಮೇಲೆ ಎಫ್ ಆಫ್ ಎ ಕಂಡುಹಿಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ, ಎಫ್ ಆಫ್ ಬಿ ಕಂಡುಹಿಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. ಯೂಸ್ ದಿ ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ ಎಫ್ ಡ್ಯಾಶ್ ಎಫ್ ಆಫ್ ಬಿ ಮೈನಸ್ ಎಫ್ ಆಫ್ ಎ. ಕ್ಯಾಲ್ಕುಲೇಟ್ ದಿ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಆಫ್ ಸಿ. ದಿಸ್ ಸಿ ಶುಡ್ ಬಿಲಾಂಗ್ಸ್ ಟು this particular interval. Definitely it belongs to 2, 4. 3 is in between 2, 4. So all conditions, but this is the one you should write. All conditions are satisfied. MVT is applicable for the given function. Understood? Any doubts are there? Very important question. Any doubts are there? We will take up one more problem of this. Okay? Yes. Verify mean value theorem for the function. You can take down for the function x square for the function x square minus 4x minus 3, okay, in the interval what I have given, see here, in the interval a comma b, in the interval a comma b where a is equal to 1 and b is equal to 4. Instead of giving like this 1, 4 anta kodok badlu, they are given like this. In the interval A comma B, where A is equal to 1 and B is equal to 4. X square minus 4x minus 3. Yes. Now, first condition, non bariyalla, you will bariyega because just now I told you what you should write. Write down the given function. Please take down. The given function fx is equal to x square minus 4x minus 3 is continuous on this interval 1, because a is 1, b is 4. You should write closed interval. Write down the given function fx is equal to that much is continuous on 1, 4. This is the first condition you should write. Coming to the second condition, write down, take down the given function fx is equal to so much is differentiable. Here you can write because it is polynomial function. You know it is polynomial function. You can write that it is differentiable on this interval. This is continuous on this interval. Here you should write differentiable on open interval 1. Now we have to find out f of b kandidiri, f of a kandidiri, b a kandidiri, f dash c kandidiri, whether check that whether c is in that. Now you take f of x is equal to x square minus 4x minus 3. Just check f of x equal to x square minus 4x minus 3. Now here a is 1, f of 1 tagoli, a is 1 here, f of 1 in the interval 1 4 andre 1 square minus 4 into 1 minus 3, or it is 1 minus 7, or it is minus 6. This is your f of a is now f of 1, x is 1 30, 1 square minus 4 into 1 minus 3, or it is 1 minus 7, 1 minus 7 is minus 6. This is your f of e. Now go for f of b. b is equal to, there it is 4. So f of 4 ಕಂಡುಹಿಡಿಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. ಅದು ಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಬರ್ಕೊಂಡೆ ಬರ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. ಮತ್ತೆ f of x is, write down x square minus 4x minus 3. f of 4 ಕಂಡುಹಿಡಿಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. f of b 4 square minus 4 into 4 minus 3. Very important. x ಇರಕಡೆಗೆಲ್ಲ 4 ಹಾಕಿದೀನಿ, ಇಲ್ಲಿ x ಇರಕಡೆಗೆಲ್ಲ 1 ಹಾಕಿದೀನಿ. Now it is 4 square 16 minus 16 minus 3, because 4 into 4 16, 4 square is 16 minus 4 into 4 16 minus 3, 16 goes minus 3. This is your f of a and it will not be equal also. I told you in the MBT f of a is not equal to f of b. Now we shall go f dash c ಕಂಡುಹಿಡಿಯಬೇಕು. You know f of x, how to find f dash c? x square minus 4x minus 3, f dash x ತಗೊಳ್ಳಿ, f dash x ತಗೊಂಡಾಗ here it will become 2x minus, you differentiate this 2x minus 4 into, that is your f dash x. f dash c ಹಿಂಗೆ ಕ್ಯಾಲ್ಕುಲೇಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ. ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ x ನ ಕಡೆಗೆ c ಹಾಕಿ 2c minus, fx ಇದೆ, f dash x ಕಂಡುಹಿಡಿಯಿರಿ, and f dash c is 2c minus 4. Now you come to this formula. Use, write down, use the formula f dash c is equal to fb minus fa over b minus a. This formula you should look at because that is your ME2. Yes. Let us see now. Now f dash is equal to f of b minus f of a by b minus a. Now what you should do is f dash c is already there, 2c minus 4 is equal to f dash c is 2c minus 4, f of b is minus 3 minus this minus is there, f of a is also there, minus 6, it is minus 6. See, please understand here, f of b is minus 3 and f of a is minus 6, minus of minus 6 by b minus a. What is b? You know, b is 4 and a is 1. b is 4, a is 1, 4 minus 1, or 2c minus 4 is equal to minus 3 plus 6 by 3. 4 minus 1 is 3. 2c minus 4, from this get the value of c. 6 minus 3, 3 by 3. See here, 2c, 6 minus 3, 3, or it is 1. 2c minus 4 is equal to 1. 2c is equal to this side 4, it bring this side 1 plus 4, 5. So 2c is 5 and c is equal to 5 by 2 is what? Actually 2.5. 5 by 2 is nothing but 2.5. Definitely this 5 by 2 covers this interval 1, 4. You keep here 1, 4, here somewhere 2.5 will come. So 2.5 will come somewhere. Definitely C is equal to, you should write 5 by 2 belongs to this interval 1, 4. This is very important. ಬರೆಯುವಾಗ ನೀವು ಕೆಲವರು ಕ್ಲೋಸ್ ಇಂಟರ್ವಲ್ ಬರೆದುಬಿಟ್ರೆ you will lose the marks. So you should be very careful. C is equal to 5 by 2 belongs to 1, 4, and you can say that since all conditions are satisfied, the MVT is applicable. MVT is applicable for the given function. ಅಥವಾ MVT is verified ಅಂತನೂ ಬರೀಬಹುದು. You can write MVT is verified ಅಂತನೂ ಬರೀಬಹುದು, or this also you can take. See here, it is continuous on only, differentiable on this interval. Then find out A ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ, B ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ, f of A, f of B ಕಂಡುಹಿಡಿಯಿರಿ. Then use the formula f dash c is equal to f of B minus f of A by B minus A. f dash c ಕಂಡುಹಿಡಿಯೋದು ಗೊತ್ತಾಯ್ತು ನಿಮಗೆ. f of x ಇಲ್ಲಿದೆ, f dash c x ತಗೊಳ್ಳಿ, f dash c ತಗೊಳ್ಳಿ, and ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ ನಿಮಗೆ ಸಿ ಮಾಡುವಾಗ ಇದ್ರ ಒಳಗೆ ಬರಲಿಲ್ಲ. ಸಪೋಸ್ ಯು ಗಾಟ್ ಸೇ 9 by 2 ಬಂದ್ಬಿಡ್ತು ಅಂತ ಇಟ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ, ಆಗ 4.5 ಬಂತು, ಆವಾಗ ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ 1.4 ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇಲ್ಲ. ಯು ಶುಡ್ ಸೇ ದಟ್ 9 by 2 ಡಸ್ ನಾಟ್ ಬಿಲಾಂಗ್ ಟು ಅಂತ ಬರೋದು, ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ನಾಟ್ ಅಪ್ಲಿಕಬಲ್ ಅಂತ ಬರೀ. MVT, mean value theorem for the function. Verify mean value theorem for the function. Take the function fx equal to, this is the last problem in this, for the function f of x is equal to x cube minus 5x square, x cube minus 5x square minus 3x in the interval 1, 3. Verify MVT, mean value theorem, for the function f of x equal to x cube minus 5x square minus 3x in the interval 1, 3. Yes. Now take this. Now check it. What are the things you have to check it? Write down first one. First condition you write the given. You write down the given function fx is equal to x cube minus 5x square minus 3x is continuous on 1, 3. First thing is write the given function. ಅದೆಲ್ಲ ಬರ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ ನೀವೇನೆ. Given function f of x is continuous on this open interval 1, 3 because polynomial function. Because it is what function? Polynomial function of degree what? 3. Highest degree ಏನಿರ್ತದೆ, that is the degree. It is polynomial function of degree 3. It is continuous. Second one, you can differentiate 3x square minus 10x ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. So you can write the given function fx equal to so much is differentiable. The given function f of x equal to so much is differentiable. You can say that is differentiable on that particular interval. Closed interval ಬರೀರಿ. ಇದು ಓಪನ್ ಇಂಟರ್ವಲ್, ಇದು ಕ್ಲೋಸ್ಡ್ ಇಂಟರ್ವಲ್. ಕಂಟಿನ್ಯೂಸ್ ಇದಕ್ಕೆ ಇದು ಬರೆದರೆ ಮಾರ್ಕ್ಸ್ ಸಿಗೋದಿಲ್ಲ. ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಕಂಟಿನ್ಯೂಸ್ ಆನ್ 1, 3 ಕ್ಲೋಸ್ಡ್ ಇಂಟರ್ವಲ್, differentiable on 1, 3 open. Now you know we want f of b ಬೇಕು, f of a, and then f dash c ತಗೋಬೇಕು. you have to check whether C covers in that interval. Now you take the function f of x is equal to, take the function f of x equal to x cube minus 5x square minus 3. Take the given function. F of x is equal to x cube minus 5x square minus 3x. Literally, A is this one. A is this and B is this. So it is A1 ತಗೊಳ್ಳಿ, A1 ತಗೊಂಡ್ರೆ f of 1 ತಗೊಳ್ಳಿ, x ಇನ ಕಡೆಗೆಲ್ಲ 1 ಹಾಕಿ. 1 cube minus 5 into 1 square minus 3 into 1. x ಇನ ಕಡೆಗೆಲ್ಲ 1 ಹಾಕೊಂಬನ್ನಿ. f of a ಕಂಡುಹಿಡಿಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. 1 ಹಾಕಿದ್ವಿ. Now it is 1 minus 5 minus 3, or it is 1 minus 8 minus. This is your f of 1. F of 1 is equal to minus 7. This is your f of a also. Now, similarly, you calculate b ಕಂಡುಹಿಡಿಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. f of x is x cube minus 5x square minus 3x. Now b is in the interval 3, f of 3 ತಗೊಳ್ಳಿ, b 3 ತಗೊಳ್ಳಿ, f of 3 ಕಂಡುಹಿಡಿಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. 3 cube x ನ ಕಡೆಗೆಲ್ಲ 3 ಹಾಕೊಳ್ಳಿ, minus 5 into 3 square minus 3 into 3, or it is 27 minus 9 into 5, 3 square 9, 9 into 5, 45 minus 9. Understood properly? Wherever x 3 ಹಾಕೊಳ್ಳಿ, 3 cube 27, 9 5s are 45 and 9. 45 minus 9 minus 54, minus 54 plus 27 minus 27. F of 3 or it is also f of. So f of a ಗೊತ್ತಾಯಿತು, f of b ಗೊತ್ತಾಯಿತು, a ಗೊತ್ತಾಯಿತು, b ಗೊತ್ತಾಯಿತು. Now f dash c ಕಂಡುಹಿಡಿಯಬೇಕು. Very important thing is finding out f dash c. f dash c ಕಂಡುಹಿಡಿಯೋದು ಹೇಗೆ ಅಂತ ನಿಮಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತು. f of x equal to x cube minus 5x square minus 3x. f dash x ಕಂಡುಹಿಡಿಕೊಳ್ಳಿ ಅಂದರೆ ಡಿಫರೆನ್ಸಿಯೇಷನ್ ಮಾಡಿ x ನ. f dash x, if you differentiate you get f dash x. Now 3x square minus 5 into 2x minus 3, or it is understood 3x square, 10x ಅಂತ ಡೈರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿ ಬರೀಬಹುದು. You can write 3x square minus 10x minus 3. 3x square minus 10x minus 3. Use the formula f dash c is equal to fb minus fa by fb minus fa over b minus a. So now f dash x ಬಂತು, f dash c here, yes, we just skip one more step. F dash x is so much, f dash c is wherever x, 3c square minus 10c minus 3. Please understand this. F dash x ಬಂದ ಮೇಲೆ f dash c ಕಂಡುಹಿಡಿಯಬೇಕು. This is the. Now f dash c ಗೆ ಇದನ್ನು ಬರೀಬೇಕು. 3c square minus 10c minus 3 is equal to, yes. Now f of b is minus 27. f of b is minus 27 minus f of a is minus 7. ನೋಡಿ minus ಬರೆದು minus 7 ಬರೀರಿ, by b minus a. What is b? b is 3, a is 1. 3 minus 1. I will explain here. See, f dash c is so much, 3c square minus 10c minus 3 is equal to f of b minus, f of b is minus 27 and f of b is this, f of a, what I put minus of minus 7 and b minus 3. Now it is 3c square minus 10c minus 3 is equal to minus 27 plus 7 by 2. Okay, very important, minus is minus plus 7 by 2, or 3c square minus 10c minus 3 is equal to minus 27 plus 7 minus 20 by 2, or it is 3c square minus 10c minus 3 is equal to minus 10. 2 2s are minus. Now this question is important because C has got two roots, because it is a quadratic equation. Whenever it is a quadratic equation, you have got two roots or two values of C. Both the values of C you have to check whether it is MET is there. Now what I am going to take this with this one this side. See, carefully follow. Now I am taking that 3C square. I am taking that 3C square minus 10C minus 3 is equal to minus 3 is equal to minus 3. So find out the value of C now. 3C square minus 10C minus 3 plus 7. If you shift this side, plus 10 agate, it is 3C square minus 10C plus 7 is equal to 0. You have to find out, you multiply, you know how to find the value of C. Either you can use quadratic equation formula or you can factorize it. 3 into 7 is 21. Factors for 21 is 3 into 7. Again 3 plus 7, 10. So this can be written as 3C square minus 3C minus 7C plus 7 is equal to 0. Understood? For this 3 into 7, 27, 3 into 7 are the factors. 3 minus 7, 10. Now from this you will take down 3C outside the body, C minus 1 minus 7 outside the body, C here when you take 3C square 3C, C minus 1 minus 7 outside the body, C minus 1 equal to 0, or it is 3C minus 7 into C minus 1 equal to 0. Either this and this. Now first one 3C minus 7 equal to 0, 3C is equal to 7, C is equal to 7 by 3. One value. C minus 1 is equal to 0, C is equal to 1. Now you should be extra careful by doing this problem. Why this problem is extra careful is, you have to check both the values of C whether it is covered under this. The one is C is equal to 7 by 3. If you take that, you are 2.33 ಬರುತ್ತೆ. 2.33 is covered under 1, 3 because you know this here 0, 1, 2, 3 it will come somewhere here. So this is covered. First C is equal to 7 by 3, you should write C is equal to 7 by 3 covered, that is belongs to that particular interval 1, comma. This is first thing you should write. C is equal to some. Many students leave out this up to this level they do it and forget. Here very important, 7 by 3 is nothing but 2.33, that belongs to 1, 3. That means this MET is applicable when C is equal to 7 by 3. Now tell me, coming to this second portion, C is equal to 1 ideyalla, adukke MET apply. This I will repeat, all these things I will repeat because we are going to write. Tell me, who will tell me whether for C is equal to 1, whether it is applicable, your what MET is applicable. That is important question. Question is that whether C is equal to 1 kandita apply agalla. How will you tell that it is not applicable? Because it is closed interval 1 now. Nimak baradu, it should belong to the open interval 1, 3. So you should write for C is equal to 1. 1 does not belong to the open interval 1, 3. This you should write. But it belongs to closed interval 1, 3. But namage MET apply ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾದರೆ this should be in the open interval. So 1 and 3. But E idiyalla 2.33 that covers under this. So for C is equal to 1, MET is not applicable. But for C is understood how it is not applicable, because it is not open interval 1, 3. It belongs to closed interval 1, 3, but it should belong to this interval. Avaga it is MET. Now what you can write? You can present the answer like this. MET is final answer applicable or verified for C is equal to this 2, that is C is equal to 7 by 3, which belongs to 1, 3. MET not applicable, both the things you should give, because error values of C are not verified for C is equal to 1, which does not belong to one comma answer it to get understood. This question is important because two values of C are there, and one more problem I will tell you. I'll give you for homework, try, and in my next class we will take up, and this finishes MVT and Rolle's theorem. Very important thing. One of the questions will be asked in examination, and I will give you one problem, and next class we will take up what is continuous function, and that finishes a very big chapter, continuity and differentiability. Let us take up continuous function. Tomorrow if possible we will try to cover that. Okay. Otherwise, whatever is possible we will cover it, and in my after opening the class we will take some more continuous functions. Okay. Now you take this problem and try in the house. Verify MVT for the function. Verify MVT for the function f of x is equal to x square plus 3x plus 5. Okay. X square plus 3x plus 5 in the interval 2 and 8. Verify MVT for the function fx equal to x square plus 3x plus 5 in the interval 2, 8. So rest of the things we will take up in my next class, and thank you.